How's everybody doing? I hope so far so good. It is Harry again. So today we're just gonna talk about bearish candlestick. So last time we've been talking about the bullish one. So today we're gonna talk about the bearish one. So I'm gonna give you some technical analysis about those candles. So you're gonna see when the stock is going in bearish, meaning it's going down. And as I've been told you last time, we've been talking about the bullish, which means when the stock is going up. So before we go there, just do me a favor. If you haven't been subscribed to my channel, just subscribe, like, and share. Just do me that favor. Let's go there now. So what is a bearish candlestick? A bearish candlestick appears as a single downward or downgrade or down. So it's a single downward candle with a full body. That means it has a full body and a very short body. It can be a big body, or it can be as well a small body, or it doesn't have a body at all, or has a non-existing wick. Sometimes you have a wicks. I'm going to show you what is a wicks. And its signal is setting pressure or it's setting opportunity. So that means whenever you see a bearish candles, means the stock will go down or setting pressure. So when we're talking about the body, it's like we have a big body. For instance, I'm gonna show it to you. So for instance, we have a big body like as it is now. So we can have a big body like this. It's a big red candle. See? And has no wick. So whenever you see a big red candle, no wick, it's tell you we have a selling pressure, meaning stocks is going down. Sometimes it can be a small body. So we call this body. As you can see, it's a body, a whole body, it's a big body. So, and also you can have what you call a small body with a long tail wick. We call that a long tail wick with a small body. As it is, we call that a body. And this one we call it wick, which is W-I-C-K. The wick is the meaning of the wick means it has a body and the seller pressure. People just get there and sell. And now we have an empty body. So the wick means empty body. And it forms what you call a wick. So all the seller pressure, people come in and buy, sell. And now we have a small body back here. And that's why we've been told you. That's why it says the bearish candle appears a single downward candle with a full body and very short or non-existing wick. It's a signal setting. Now, whereas the bullish candlestick itself is a big candle, green candle, which is a bullish candle pattern, informs traders that the market is about to enter an uptrend. So meaning anytime you see a bullish candles, it gives you a signal. It tells you that the traders is about to enter because people now is actually buying. Buying means put the stock up. And also we have that means the previous candles or the previous price has been decreased. So that means people that's been selling. So the selling pressure been decreased. And now we have the body, the buyer just get there and put the price up. So this reversal pattern is a signal that bulls mean bullish, are taking over the market and could even push the price up or higher. So that means it making the time to open a long position. That's meaning anytime you see a bullish signal, so the price can get higher and higher. For instance, here again, we have a long tail. For instance, we have a long tail here, and we have this body at the top. So people just get there and buy, push the price up, and it closed high. So the higher it closed, price has get a chance to go higher. So the stock can go higher because we have a small tail, weak, and we have a body at the top. So for the other one, which is the bearish one, we have a long tail above, but the body itself in the bottom. All right. That's the way it's been. Let me give you some example. You can see here, as you can see down here, bearish spike. We call that bearish spike candles. Those are the bearish, always upside down, weak, like this, and the tails, the body down. So you see, this is the weak, stock go like this, and we have a small body. So anytime you see those candle, long tail weak above the body, that's mean stock's gonna go down, meaning it's go down, it's go down. Now we have this, see, long tail weak and body. That means it's upside down. Anytime you can identify them in a shot, that's mean the stock gonna go down. Whereas the bullish one is the same formula, the same state for the body, but this one we have the body at. The body is above the wick. You see, this is the body here above, and the wick is like this. So whenever the body is closed above the wick, we have a bullish momentum start going to go up. See, this one is the same type of candle, but this one, the bearish one, is upside down, the wick above, and the body is down. So the bullish one, the body is above and the wick is down. So anytime you can identify one of these candles in a short, that's meaning start gonna go up. Anytime you can identify one of those candles upside down here, it's meaning start gonna go down for the bearish. That's the way, my friend. All right. So let's see if we can see something now again. Now we're gonna see what happens after a big red candle. As I just told you, the big red candles. And we're gonna see also what is a doji after a bearish candle. Now, if a large red candle appears, it indicates a strong selling day. Whenever you can see a big red candle, I just told you that before, a big red candle. See? Anytime you can identify a big red candle, that means it shows you a strong selling day. Strong selling day has a possibility, or that's what you have to do in that time. You have to do a short-term selling. And during a downtrend, red candles are typically quite large, which is a big one, a big body. We call that body, the big body, and it might be quite large. And small red candles, especially following large red candles, may indicate indecision or a slowdown. Sometimes you can see a small, this is here, you can see a small red candle in the middle of big red candle like this. So that's mean in follow, especially it's followed by a big red candle, meaning next time it's not gonna go down because we have the small one and the big red candle form after that. That's just time it's not gonna go lower. And a doji itself is a bearish signal. If the closing price is below the middle of the candle, I just told you, and I've been showed you that, especially if it's close to resistance level. Conversely, if the closing price is above the middle of the candle, it is bullish. As the formation is a bullish pin bar top 10. You're gonna see that later. Let me show you here. So you see, those are the doji. We have doji. We call that the doji A. So we have here is selling pressure. where price been going down. This is the doji A. Whenever you can see this doji here, so it's give you a signal price will keep continue down trend here. You see this doji? This is a doji like this. That's a long tail, and he has small body in the middle. So this one, you see, this has been circling yellow here. Anytime you can identify a candle like this has a wick like this, another wick in the bottom, a wick at the top, and wick at the bottom, and it has a small body in the middle. That's mean it's an indecision, start gonna go down, especially after a certain pressure, and you see there in the middle, it's stock will continue down. You see, it's here. We call that doji B. Let's do the B. So the B also, after a period of time, stock been going up, you see, and it forms it upside down, as you can see over there. You see doji coming here, this one, stock gonna go to like this one. As I've been told you, let's go here. So you see, whenever you see after stock been going up, and you see a doji that come upside down, like this in the middle, that's mean next time stock gonna go down. As you can see here. See, stock been going up, and you see this stock. Stock gonna go down. But the B one here, we have the same thing as you can see here, nobody. See, stock been going down, so going up, and it's formed doji, small body in the middle, stock gonna go down. Anytime you can see this candle in the middle, above at the top, stock gonna go down. Now, let's go for letter C here. We're gonna see what's called doji star. The doji star itself appearing at the bottom of a downtrend, signaling possible reversal. So meanings, I will start going down, and you can identify doji, the same doji that you see here at the top, start gonna go up. Let me explain it a little bit better. Let's just see something here. Let's just erase that so you can see what I've been told you, what I've been explaining. Now let's see how we can do that for you. Let's erase. Okay, so okay, for the doji. Okay. So let's go there. Now, for the when price going after a certain time, price going up. Anytime you see the doji here, like this as a doji, small body, and wick at the top, wick in the bottom, and price has to be, the doji has to be above or at the top after a certain time, price going up. And whenever you see a doji at the top here, meaning next time price going to go down, stock going to go down itself. That's the way it's been explained here. And then now for the bullish one, whenever stock after stock been going down, and you can identify a doji here in the bottom like this, small body, and next time what you're gonna see, stock gonna go down, gonna go up. That's it. Let's call this one the bullish one, the bullish part. And let's call this one the bearish part or the bearish one. All right. So meanings after stock, if you see the price, the stock market has been going up, and you see a doji form in the middle after a certain time going up at the above at the top of this range, next time stock gonna go down. The bullish one also, on the other hand, after stock been going certain time going down, and you see now the doji is formed down, here, long tail, small body, and then stock gonna go up. As soon as you can identify the doji here in the bottom after a certain time of down, meaning stock gonna go up next time. And also for the bearish, as soon as you can identify when after stock been going up, and you can identify the doji above, meaning next time stock gonna go down. Gonna go down, as you can see. It's just gonna go down. All right. All right, so I'm gonna give you some name here. You can see here. That's the same thing we've been doing. Now, we're gonna talk about now, give you some name of the candle you can see. We have what's called bearish single candle patterns. We have the first one called the hanging man. This candle called hanging man. This candle called hanging man. Stock been going up, and the hanging man been formed. As you can see here, this hanging man. That's the next time stock gonna go down. We call this one shooting star. Stock been going after stock been going down, been going up, and the shooting star is upside down like this, small body. Next time you can see stock gonna go down. If you can identify them this way in the short, you'll be good. So we call this one Western doji. Western doji, which is this one. Stock been going up, and the Wavestone doji has been formed. As you can see here, small body and long tail wick and small body. It's not gonna go down, and we call this one bearish spinning top. So wick, small body, another wick down. We call it bearish spin top. That's the same thing we've been seeing before. Stock gonna go down as soon as possible. Right away, it's gonna go down. Another thing we're gonna say about the hanging man. So what is a hanging man candle? A hanging man is a bearish reversal candlestick pattern that occurs after a price advance. The advance can be small or large, but should be composed of at least a few price bars moving higher overall. So the candle must have a small wheel body and a long lower shadow that is at least twice the size as the wheel body. I'm going to show you now. What's the hanging man? This is the hanging man. So no shadow, small wheel body. It has a small body and a long wick or long lower shadow. So anytime you can identify that, that's a hanging man. If you identify it, that means it's not going to go down, especially after a certain time. It's going up. You can identify the hanging man at the top. It's not going to go down. If you can identify this candle after the same time going up, start going up, you identify this hanging man, meaning next time it's not going to go down. So whereas for the bullish one, the hanging man is green because this one has to be red. If you can identify in red, you good. It has to be red in color for bearish. This one is green for bullish, long tail, and body, and it's not gonna go up. So we call that no shadow. There's been no shadow at the top, above, and small body, which is this one, and long lower shadow. Now, the last thing I'm gonna show you, so I don't want to confuse you every day too much, is the same thing here for the hanging man. I'm just gonna read them for you, name them for you. We call that hanging man again. I'll just show you them. For the green, which is bullish, the bullish always close above and it's open the bottom for the body. We call that body. Little, it has no shadow. It has no shadow like this. And also press close here and open now. And it has a longer lower, it has a long lower shadow, which is this one, weak, long lower shadow, and that's a low. So high, close, we call that high. We call this one close above for the bullish one, open bottom, weak or long lower shadow and low. For the bearish one, price always high, open above and close in the bottom, and long wick and low here. All right. So we have what's called the hammer and hanging man candlestick pattern. The hanging man pattern is the same as the hammer, so they look like the same. See, this one is a hanging man, this candle, and this one is a hammer. So you see, man pattern is the same as the hammer. Hanging man is the same. When the hammer pattern form in an uptrend, which is the uptrend, it's the hanging man pattern. The pattern has one candle. See, price been going down. The price been going down, and you see this hanging man or the hammer form. Next time, price will go up. So for the hanging man itself, after price been going up, and you see the hanging man above, after price is gonna start gonna go down. If you can identify them this way, you'll be great. This is the hanging man again. Price, you see, price been going up, and you identify it has to be in red. That means red can be good, but if you can identify it in red, it's this here. Okay, so it has to be in red. Okay, so I'm going to give me some difficult to red for you. Good. So this one, some okay. Price has been red. Okay, so as you can see, when it's red, so the price has to be red, the candle has to be red. Price has been going up, and it's give you a red candlestick. We call that hanging man. So next time, it's not gonna go down. It has to be a poke after price. You see, candle going up, and you see the candles, the hanging man, candles above, like here in the middle after price going up. So next time, it's not gonna go down, going back forward. Again, see here again. Price been going up, hanging man above, long tail shadow, weak, and then small body above here like this. Next time you're gonna see a down trend. You close your eyes, it's not gonna go down. But after it's going up, you see the hanging man in the middle at the top. Price is gonna go down. Just last thing I'm gonna teach you now. We have some price, we call that price higher. I'm just naming them for you. We call this one candlestick body. This one is a body, candlestick body. We call that open price here. And we call this one close price here. And we have this one lower wick, because this one's a wick. And we have the price low. We call that a low. This one is a low. This one is a wick. This body. And this one's a body. And it's open here and close here. So my friend, that's all we have for you today. Next time, when I get there, we're gonna teach you how to identify them in a real short. Just stay there, like, share, and subscribe. So whenever we come up with a new video about shorting, you will be notified, because next time we're gonna identify them in a short, so you can see them. So that's the way you're gonna be learning. We will identify all those candles, as you can see here. So how to identify them in a short, so we can learn them in the real short, as you can see all those candles. So my friend, it was a pleasure to be with you. This was here with today. You see all these candles, we're gonna be identifying. Thank you for being with me. Like, share, and subscribe. That's all you have to do for me. Thank you. Love you. Take care. Bye-bye. And we're gonna see you next time. Bye-bye. Take care. See you.